Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn English through a story. You can repeat the story after me. Then, we will learn some new words from this story together. Let's begin. Emma's shopping trip. Emma was a polite and friendly woman who enjoyed shopping. Every weekend, she went to the market to buy fresh vegetables, fruits, and other groceries for the week. She liked shopping because it helped her relax and find everything she needed. One Saturday morning, Emma made a shopping list before leaving home. She wrote down all the things she needed, including milk, bread, eggs, and some fresh vegetables. After checking her list, she took her bag and walked to the grocery store near her house. When she arrived at the store, she picked up a shopping basket and started looking for the items on her list. She walked through the aisles, choosing fresh apples, carrots, and tomatoes. While picking up a loaf of bread, she noticed a special discount on cookies. That's a great offer, she thought, and decided to buy a pack. At the dairy section, she picked up a bottle of milk, but when she checked the expiration date, she realized it was already expired. Emma politely told a store employee about it. The employee thanked her and quickly removed the expired milk from the shelf. After finishing her shopping, Emma went to the checkout counter to pay. There was a long queue, but she waited patiently for her turn. When it was her turn, she greeted the cashier and placed her items on the counter. The cashier scanned each item and told her the total price. Emma took out her wallet and paid with her credit card. After the payment, the cashier gave her a receipt. "Thank you for shopping with us," the cashier said with a smile. Emma checked her receipt to make sure everything was correct. She packed her groceries into her bag and was about to leave the store when she saw an old lady struggling to carry her bags. Emma quickly walked over and offered to help. The old lady smiled and thanked her. Emma felt happy knowing she had done a kind thing. After leaving the store, Emma walked home with a smile on her face. When she got home, she unpacked her groceries and made a delicious fruit salad with the apples she had bought. It was a perfect way to end a good shopping day. New words from the story: shopping list, a list of things you plan to buy. Example: Emma made a shopping list before going to the store. Discount, a lower price or special offer on a product. Example: Emma saw a discount on cookies. Expiration date, the date when a product is no longer safe to use or eat. Example: Emma checked the expiration date on the milk. Checkout counter, the place in a store where you pay for your items. Example: Emma went to the checkout counter to pay for her groceries. Queue, a line of people waiting for something. Example: Emma waited in the queue at the checkout counter. Scan, to pass an item over a machine to check the price. Example: the cashier scanned each item before telling Emma the total price. Credit card, a plastic card used to pay for things instead of cash. Example: Emma paid for her groceries with her credit card. Receipt, a paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Example: Emma checked her receipt after shopping. Polite, being respectful and using good manners. Example: Emma was polite when she spoke to the store employee. Grocery store, a shop that sells food and household items. Example: Emma bought vegetables from the grocery store. Struggle, to have difficulty doing something. Example: the old lady was struggling to carry her bags. Leaving, the action of going away from a place. Example: after leaving the store, Emma walked home. Employee, a person who works for a company or store. Example: Emma told a store employee about the expired milk. Patiently, in a calm and understanding way, without getting angry or upset. Example: Emma waited patiently in the queue. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Emma made a shopping list before going out. She saw a discount on cookies. Emma checked the expiration date on the milk. She went to the checkout counter to pay. She waited in the queue patiently. The cashier scanned all her items. Emma paid with her credit card. She checked her receipt after the purchase. Emma was polite to the store employee. She bought fresh vegetables from the grocery store. The old lady was struggling with her heavy bags. After leaving the store, Emma walked home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.